So today, this is our ending point, 619202. So red hit. So down tayo 1.19%. So these are the gainers today. Apple up by 17%, GPH, LTC. Ano yung masyadong ako per RCBC, Lopez Holdings. Wow. Okay, yan ang mga top gainers ngayon. Then the worst losers will be 18.7. AGS down 4.57%.
Yes, that's yeah.
Hindi na ko lang dito yung mga talagang kilalang stocks. So most active today, volume na pala. Anyway, nothing. So let's just focus on the stocks. So pag sinabing blue chips, these are the ones that are part of the composite. So dito, range natin siya highest P, lowest P to highest P. So if you will notice, the highest PE is ICT. So meaning, yung pinaka-expensive sa lahat. All factors being held equal. And then followed by Jollibee. So pag tinan mo to, ang middle ground nito will be the 15th rank. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So mga nasa pure gold, no? 10.9. 11. So more or less, nasa 11 yung ating price per earnings. Relatively, median yun ha. PE ratio from October 1994 to December 2024. Naglalaro siya from 13 to 40, 12, at 11.96. So sa ngayon, more or less, nasa lower end tayo ng price per earnings ratio. Ayan. And then the highest price earnings was at 28. No? And yung mga panahon na namamayat pag tayo ng time na yan. And then the lowest was 8.8. So I would say that yung price earnings natin ngayon is a little bit on the low side. Ayan. So kung mamimili ka ng mga companies na mababa yung price earnings, so tingin ko, okay naman. And siyempre, Alliance Global, may handle ng McDonald's, favorite to McDonald's Philippines. Ayan. No? And then Mega World, sa mga favorites yan sa aking portfolio, we will take a look at the problem points sa mga, ano pa, magtaas mo yung kanilang debts. So equity, ganyan. Titingnan. So Alliance Global, Mega World, yung Berry Resorts, 3.7 lang. Diyan ko kung kasi bumagsak kasi ng 457 ngayon. Ito, abangan natin to kasi 3.8 na lang ang price earnings. What's wrong with Diyan ko kung bisa? First Gen Corporation, Lopez, power sector. Security Bank, 5.3 times. No? Considering na Security Bank is a good pick-up. Natin yan, si George T. Nangyari ng Toyota, Metrobank. So I think this is also a good company. And then, Lufitan Group, of course. I mean, personally, bias ako against. Anyway, it's also 5.7 times lang. Robinson's Land, part pa rin ng dyan ko kung yan 7 times. Ito yung kanilang property sector. Avoid Securities Ventures, 8.2 lang times. No? And Ayala Land is also, Ayala Land is undervalued today. No? Kasi nga, considering bumabas na ng 1.98% today. Robinson's Retail, so lahat ng dyan ko kaway group ay bagsak. And then Ayala Corp is only at 10.7. And amazingly, kundi lang Ayala talaga mataas ang valuation yan. And then right about the middle point is Pure Gold and also Metrobank. Yung mga nasa taas, hindi naman silang necessarily high. Pero considering the others, other companies na mga mas mura, parang mas maganda doon yung mga kahit. Yan. It's my take on today's video. Okay, pag tinignan mo naman yung tawag na Class A stuff, okay, yung mga hindi basura stuff. Well, yung pa rin naman yung nasa blue chips, nadagdag lang naman dito. Tingnan natin kay San. Ayoko, pandito niya, AEV, Global, Aboitiz Power, medyo mahal Aboitiz Power. BDO, medyo mahal. Bell, mura, no? Bell, 5.6 lang. Bakit titingin sa current price o kayo sa price earnings? And then Bloomberry, ang Bank of the Philippine Islands, mahal, no? Okay, dump natin yan. Wala ko pa rin. Galing sa gate niya. Costco, Okay, wala. Okay. CPG, Century Properties. Mura din siya, no? DMCI, medyo mahal. DNL, Worthing, East Empire. Ako sa akin, pag hindi nyo siya kilala, huwag mong bilhin. East West, mura East West. East West Banking, 3.7 times lang. First Gen, ay 4.1. Globe Telecom, 13. Mahal. ICT, Jango, kung isang, pitang kanina yan. The word Moralco, 14. Medyo, if you will compare, PBB, Philippine Business Bank, 5 lang. Petron, okay lang, 8.5. Pero mas marami pang mas mura eh. Okay, PNB, 6.2 lang. RCBC, 1.8. Yan, yung mga nandoon, nandito na wala doon sa kabila. Siyang properties. I think mas maganda ito, tingnan natin. Union Bank of the Philippines, 2.9 lang. Ito sa tingin ko, okay din, no? UBP. Again, bias ako towards the back. Kasi ang bangko, naniniwala tayo. Banking sector sa Philippines ay malakas. And, yeah, okay, sa ganun. BNL, 1.7 lang. I think ito ang pinakamura sa lahat dito, no? So yun, kung naniniwala kay Villar, saka sa future ng kanyang company, might as well, bumili kayo ngayon ng BNL kasi murang-mura siya ngayon. No? Okay, ang problem ng iba rito, hindi pa natin nakikita yung kanilang financials. So, as of now, and then we will just check this again, especially for those na mura, sasabi natin, price earnings-wise ay mura. Let's see if it will really pass our test. No? Ang mga filter lang to eh. First of all, ang filter natin, kailangan mababa siya, no? Lower than the market yung price earnings. Tandaan natin, ang price earnings median is about 11, more or less. Anything less than 11 is more or less cheaper than the rest. Okay? So, yun ang ating first filter. Tingnan natin later on, no, sa susunod mga natin, which one of the companies that we mentioned are good to buy fundamental ways. Tinatawag natin na value proposition, value base. Okay? Tapos saka natin tingnan yung second. So that's it for today. Thank you.